Let's go to the power of whales, which is actually our cover story, the Lord of the Rims. And this time around, you know, we have the SGR. You saw the,
yes.
the kind of the speed trains we are getting.
Speed trains that we have.
Yeah,
they look like they'll be doing 30 kilometers an hour.
They've said maximum is 120.
But really,
even approvals cannot get. But you know, on a rather fashionable way, we come back to the roads of Nairobi, and you know about all these pimped cars that go into up to 10 million shillings of pimping. And some of our writers, Karonyanga and Kemoingeno, actually decided to go for a ride in different routes, just to give you a feel of what.
You know, I've always wondered, because I mean, from the business aspect of it, when you spend 10 million to pimp up matatu, does it give you your returns or?
Yeah,
I hear it does.
Yes, it does. At your age, Mike, you might probably not want to jump into one of these. Yeah. But there's a generation that entirely adores this. They will even shun Uber. They will shun any
to get into this.
They don't get in.
This is it.
They wait there.
They wait there. They even make phone calls and say, "Mko wapi? Mko wapi? Niko stage flani. Weka kiti ya watu wanne hapa hivi." So the bus can actually leave town knowing that there are 4 guys waiting on the road. Interestingly, there are some that actually also play gospel music only.
Oh,
you understand?
And they have Wi-Fi.
Those are for, you know, for Christians who don't want to listen to
all these
funky Christians who want to listen to funky music.
But it's still boom loud.
Yeah, it's boom loud.
It's boom but it's Christian boom
It's highly pimped. So you grab a copy of the Pulse magazine in the Standard newspaper and get